Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I wanted to share something that I use every single day. It's these MEWAY Tumblers. They have saved me so much time and money as I'm able to make my own beverages at home and bring them with me no matter where I go throughout the day. So the reasons I love these tumblers so much is that they're a really good basic, but they do the job. They keep any hot beverages hot for up to 6 hours, which I have definitely noticed. And as well, you can use it to keep cold beverages cold for up to 12 hours. They have really nice features. First of all, I love kind of the matte coating on most of these tumblers. So they make them really comfortable and easy to hold, to grip. I use them usually for coffee, for hot drinks, coffee or tea. I take this usually with my dog every morning when I take her for a walk. And I just love the fact that my coffee always stays hot. I love that this set as well comes with some really nice accessories. So they do include some stainless steel straws, which I have used as I am trying to drink my coffee with a straw so it doesn't stain my teeth. So I think that's a really nice feature. As well, they come with cleaners to clean the straws, as well as these little scrubbies that are really great for cleaning the actual tumblers, as they are best washed, hand washed. So that just makes it so much easier. As well, this is the perfect size to fit into any drink holder in any car. I tested it in a huge truck as well as in a small mid-sized car, and they fit perfectly. I just think they're really good value. The lids stay on so nice. And I love this set of 8 because there's a color for everyone. And you could even customize them if you're giving them as a gift. So I just feel like it's such a good value to get 8 tumblers. And they're gonna last you for a really long time. I'm super impressed with these tumblers. I use them every single day. And I know you're gonna love them as well. But that's just my point of view.